Salutations! We are back. Welcome back to a new episode of Saffron Cypher's channel.
Yay!
Today, what we have here is the Dino Escape Spinosaurus. Okay, guys, this one has no sounds, but it's a pretty big figure. Has a button in the head. There you go. There's a DNA scan. Okay, guys, this I believe is supposed to be the Jurassic Park 3, but it didn't work out. Yeah, it looks so similar to the Hammond Collection Spinosaurus, and of course we have it right now. Let's put this aside first. Da-da-da. Very nice. Very nice. True effects right now. It has the true effects. My only disagree I don't like here is I wish they put this picture, the face of the Spinosaurus over here that used to be here. Because most of the Hammond Collection on their, I believe this is on their right side, it's always here. Now they totally changed it. Okay, I wish they took this off and left this one out, but for some reason they have to add it here again. At least the Jurassic Park 3 logo is here. Yeah, and they could have used this picture as well right here. It will look better. But yeah, that's how it is now. They move on. So yeah, let's open it up, guys. Okay, guys, let's check it out. All right, so let's check it. Okay, unbox it. Oh, put it in the corner there. It's a big figure. We're gonna probably grab the Hammond Collection T-Rex as well. Take the tail out. Let's compare it, or maybe even the Giganotosaurus. Alright. Nice background. It's blue. It used to be orange, I believe, or amber, the color. Now it's just like light blue. Okay. Alright, so let's check the tail first. It seems a little shorter now, unlike the Giganotosaurus tail. It's really long. The length was so long. Looks like an empty shell in there. Nice color, definitely from the movie. The claws, it feels a little softer now. Look at that, it's not even sharp. It looks sharp, but it's not. It's really soft. The wrist can articulate. It's really good. And check the eye out. There you go. Nice. You see the teeth right there. You open the mouth. It really has soft sides right there. Soft rubber side, the tongue. Really good. Let me check on the middle part. That's what it looks like right there. Close it. Eye looks really nice, just exactly like a serpent eye. Green. Unlike the Dino Escape right there, it has orange. Good articulation. The T-Rex has actually a soft neck, made of rubber, but this one's all hard plastic. The sail, nice. Now we go to the belly part, made of white. The feet, the legs, and of course it's kind of weird that they didn't paint the dew claw. They should have, because it's a large figure. And they could at least made this claw sticking out like the Giganotosaurus. It was sticking out. So let's go grab it. Okay, so we're compared to this is the Hammond Collection T-Rex. Look at the feet in this huge Tyrannosaurus. It's so big compared to the Spinosaurus. So this is what I'm talking about, the dew claw. At least they painted it for the Tyrannosaurus. As for the Giganotosaurus, they painted and they made it look better. They made it like sticking out. Look at that. But for the Spinosaurus, for some reason, they didn't do it. The Tyrannosaurus dew claw was sticking out, but it wasn't painted. But it's like a downgrade now for the Spinosaurus. For some reason, they didn't paint it. That's my only complaint here. Okay, guys. Okay. So let's compare to the Dino Escape Spinosaurus now. They almost look similar. Of course, the Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus is way better now. The face paint, the eyes. The color looks similar as well. See that? There. Looks so similar. Okay, so they say that this year is the Spinosaurus year because of the Jurassic Park Rebirth movie. It has like 3 or 4 Spinosaurus, and now Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus came out as well, all the same year. It is the year of the Spinosaurus indeed. Very nice, very exquisite. Okay, let's check the box again. What we miss out here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. There's no other dinosaurs, just this Spinosaurus. Okay. Also, we're gonna show also these Jurassic World Rebirth Spinosaurus Danger set. So we're gonna bring that out in a minute. Here it is. Super sweet. Oh no, where's the tail? I think they forgot to add the tail. Ah, it's right there. Down there. Let's take it out. Ah. Okay, that should do it. There you go. Nice background there. Alright, let's bring out our goodie. Let's bring out the storage case first. The weapons case, nice. Okay, here you go. Let's take out the guy. I forgot his name. Uh-oh. We got Scarlett Johansson's character here. Ah. Comes with this little tiny gun, this flare gun right here. Okay, I don't know which hand it goes. It goes here, hopefully. There you go. Nice. Okay. Now next is this little knife. Can we take it out? My goodness, so tiny. Okay, really soft. Now for our guy here. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, I like this rubber bands. They're awesome. The gun. We have a nice rifle here. It can detach. Super cool. There you go. Really cool piece here. Nice. There you go. Look at that. How cool that is. And we have our guy here. I forgot his name. Don't remember. And of course, the main guy, our Spinosaurus, another Spinosaurus. Ah, let's cut it out. Alright, we got our Spinosaurus out. There's a smaller version. Let's put the tail in. There you go, here's the snap. So the tail does not articulate anymore. There's no articulation in the leg, and there's no articulation in the elbows and knees. Nothing like that. The neck moves. Teeth is looking like white here instead of like a light yellowish. So it is exactly the same as this, just a smaller version. Cool. There you have it. Our Spinosaurus, safe to put it on water. The DNA scan seems to be coming off. Hopefully it doesn't. I think I have to take this. Or maybe I can paint it a little bit and like varnish it so it will stick. Nice sail right there. Okay, here it is now. Whoops, they're all falling off. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Bye for now.